Welcome to this video on the history of the Directorate of Forensic Science Services and the Central Forensic Science Laboratories in India, operating under the Ministry of Home Affairs. This video covers the evolution of CFSLs, the formation of the DFSS, the administrative structure, jurisdiction, and recent developments within the forensic landscape in India. Here is a brief timeline. CFSL Kolkata was established in 1957, followed by Hyderabad in 1967 and Delhi in 1968. In 1978, the Chandigarh laboratory opened. The DFSS was formed in 2002, and in 2011, laboratories were added in Bhopal, Guwahati, and Pune. Why are CFSLs essential? They serve four main purposes: conducting scientific investigations, providing expert opinions to courts, supporting police departments, and performing comprehensive examination of evidence. The Directorate of Forensic Science Services, or DFSS, was established in 2002 under the Ministry of Home Affairs to effectively coordinate the network of central forensic science laboratories. The current network includes 7 CFSL locations across India: Kolkata, Hyderabad, Delhi, Chandigarh, Bhopal, Guwahati, and Pune. The administrative hierarchy flows from the Ministry of Home Affairs down to the Directorate of Forensic Science Services, which oversees the entire CFSL network. The laboratories feature 7 major forensic divisions, including biology, DNA, toxicology, ballistics, chemistry, question documents, and digital forensics. To recap some important facts, the first CFSL in Kolkata opened in 1957. The DFSS was formed in 2002, and 3 additional CFSLs were established in 2011. Let's check your knowledge. The DFSS was established in 2002. The first CFSL was in Kolkata, and CFSL Chandigarh was established in 1978. In summary, the DFSS provides a strong national forensic infrastructure that supports the criminal justice system, with ongoing expansion to meet future needs.